guys, welcome back to the Dome Speed Shop. Last episode, we're going to put in some LED headlights in my 2015 Silverado. But you just put headlights in your 2015 Silverado. Yeah, but these are better. Let's see. Welcome back to the Dome Speed Shop. Today we're going to install these new OXILAM headlights. LED headlights in my 2015 Silverado. And if you click the link in the description, you'll get a discount code exclusive for subscribers for my channel, straight from OXILAM's website. So check the description below and you'll see that discount. Now my truck takes an H11 bulb. So that's why I got the LEDs for this. When you open it up, it comes with two white gloves that I personally never use, but if you want to reuse your factory headlights, you want to use those to keep contaminants from going on the factory headlight bulbs and keep your LED bulbs nice. You got your product manual, gives you all the brightnesses, how to install, all characteristics of bulbs you picked up. And if you've never installed headlight bulbs on a vehicle, it tells you how to get the bulb out. You pull the bulb out of the foam. Real nice LED setup. Has an internal fan to keep the diodes and resistors cool. Has a straight plug-and-play system. Designed for your factory setup. There's no mechanical wire, electrical tape. Putting the thing in, it'll just go into your factory setup and you're all set. Now if you haven't seen my previous video on how to install these bulbs, it's relatively straightforward. Go ahead and pop your hood. So you can get to the back side of the housing. And once you're in here, reach over, turn your bulb. The whole bulb just comes out. This is the driver's side on the Silverados. Very straightforward. Very plug and play. Go ahead and get your new OXILAM headlight LED bulb. Go clockwise so it locks in. Go ahead and plug in your bulb. Easy as 1, 2, 3. And then we go ahead and move over to the passenger side, which if you have a Silverado of this generation, you know is not the easiest one to get to. But with a recent upgrade, I'll show you why it's easier. This is a good opportunity to show you the differences between the eBay knockoff LED I'd picked up and the improved OXILAM design. eBay design, external fan. These are a lot more bigger and bulky. So if you have a more compact setup, these are a little harder to do. OXILAMs have a more compact fan. A little longer. But these are much brighter. And better looking, in my opinion. Here's your visual difference between the eBay special and the OXILAM brand. Not sure how well this is picking up on camera, but the OXILAMs definitely have a better light to them. Now the passenger side is a little more cumbersome to do if you have a factory airbox. I recently removed my factory airbox and a Spectra cold air intake, but that's another video. So you reach in here, just like the other side, turn it, whole thing just comes out. Like I said, this side's a little more cumbersome, so the plug's a little harder to get to, but Not the worst thing in the world. Then your OXILAM headlight goes in. Go ahead and turn. You are all set. This has been a quick product review / installation of the OXILAM headlight, LED headlight bulbs for 2015 to whenever this generation of trucks ended. See you next time, guys, here from the Dome Street Shop.